Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, DJ Kool Herc, who really should have been the first inductee into the Hip Hop Hall of Fame, is a Jamaican who grew up around sound systems in Kingston. Jamaican-born DJ Kool Herc pioneered hip hop in the Bronx by mixing and toasting over record breaks, yeah? And this led to scratching, breakdancing, and rapping over the breaks as a DJ kept the beat going, yeah? So Grandmaster Flash improved his style and launched hip-hop as a global phenomenon. Now, since that time, several Jamaican Americans have helped to fuel the rise of hip-hop. While we celebrate the 50th anniversary of the genre, we will also celebrate hip-hop icons of Jamaican descent.
All right,
Yeah.
Jamaican descent.
Yeah.
First up, we have Heavy D. Oh, Heavy D.
Yep.
Dwight Myers, better known as Heavy D, was born in Manchester, Jamaica, and moved with his family to New York as a child. He was the leader of the group, Heavy D and the Boys, which included dancers and background vocalists G Wiz, Glenn Parrish, Trouble, T-Roy, Troy Dixon, and Eddie F., born Edward Ferrell. Now, the group maintained a sizable audience in the United States through most of the 1990s.
Well, we have something for play from Heavy D.
Wait, love, water. That's this one.
Yeah. Enough of that.
That's all I got.
Rev me up.
My little buttercup.
Sweet up, cheeks snuggle up and get. Believe it or not, here comes a
Baby, your body. Then you're gonna hurt somebody.
I think Puffy was also in Heavy D and used to dance for Heavy D too, you know.
Yes, I think, yes.
Yeah. Them time the Puffy
he
used to
did.
left studio and go collect things and come back.
He did.
It was like a run around.
He did.
A Heavy D bossing.
So it was a Heavy D made Puff Daddy.
So the second person is Pete Rock, or Peter Phillips, better known by his stage name. Pete Rock is an American record producer and rapper who rose to prominence in the early 1990s as one half of the critically acclaimed group Pete Rock and CL Smooth. Yes, so Pete Rock was born in the Bronx to Jamaican parents. He is the cousin of late rapper Heavy D as well. Yeah?
All right, so what he got?
Pete Rock. Bounce too hard enough because you have to lead.
Yeah, I was coming in kind of too energetic. You know, you gotta like, you gotta like easy. Speaking of easy, I don't know if you guys know this. It's not cannabis, it's cannabis.
Cannabis.
Or Cannabis.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So Jermaine Williams, popularly known as Cannabis or Cannabis, is the son of late Jamaica and West Indies cricketer Basil Williams. He was born in Kingston, Jamaica, before moving with his family to New York, also at a very young age.
Yeah.
What he got? Cannabis.
I wonder if we can play Cannabis a bad boy.
See there?
Hey. I remember when Cannabis dropped that diss track for LL Cool J, you know, nobody never expected. Nobody couldn't believe. Like, I said, whoa.
Yeah.
All right, so this next one, a bad boy, we're going to a bad boy segment. All right, so this is Bushwick Bill. Richard Shaw, known professionally as Bushwick Bill, is best known as one-third of the pioneering Texas rap group, the Ghetto Boys. Alongside Scarface and Willie D, Bushwick Bill was born in Jamaica, but he grew up in southern United States. Bushwick, little Bushwick Bill.
So
yeah,
I don't know if we can play any of his songs because
Bushwick a bad boy.
Bushwick a bad boy.
Well, first of all, if you make it in a hip hop as a little person,
you
know, say imbakitive tall. In short, but imbakitive tall.
Yeah, but you know what? That's Bushwick Bill. His name though is just gangster. Okay, it sounds like a Western.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, listen,
yeah,
Bushwick Bill. Bushwick Bill. Next up, we have Grand Puba.
Puba.
Right? Puba, all right? Maxwell Dixon, professionally known as Grand Puba, is the frontman of early 1990s rap group Brand Nubian. He was born in New Orleans and is of Jamaican descent. He was featured on Shaggy's Why You Treat Me So Bad off the reggae singer's successful Hot Shots album.
Big album.
Let's take a little listen.
Then you run right in her.
Hoover makes.
She said, rock me tonight. Picture that.
I feel like what they say is living her best life. But it's like, yeah. Oh, Lord.
barely because Snoop Bunks have to get them to this one.
Yeah, man.
You know Snoop Bunks them.
Yeah.
Snoop Bunks them.
Yeah, he's there.
All right, so Special Ed, or Edward Archer, known professionally as Special Ed, is a New York rapper born to Jamaican parents. He's best known for the songs I Got It Made, Think About It, and I'm the Magnificent. Yeah, from this debut album, The Youngest in Charge, released in 1989 when he was 16 years old. Special Ed has a combination with Bounty Killer called Just Killer. Yeah, queer some. I got it made.
I got it made. Got it made. All right. Take it down. Because the ladies are coming in hot with this one. Coming hot. We got Pepper. Yeah, a member of the Grammy Award-winning female rap group Salt and Pepper. Now, Sandra Pepper Denton was born in Kingston, Jamaica, and moved to Queens, New York, at an early age. Salt and Pepper have sold 15 million records worldwide, making them one of the biggest selling female rap acts of all time. They're often referred to as the first ladies of rap and hip hop.
Dimples, man.
Here I go again. What's my secret? Believe this.
I can't really move to this one as much because I'm reading my topic. But big up to Salt and Pepper.
Love
them. Hot girls from them time there.
Listen.
Ooh, baby,
I was like,
baby.
ooh.
All right, so Busta Rhymes, or Trevor Smith Jr., the American rapper and songwriter, popularly known as Busta Rhymes, was born in New York to Jamaican parents. He's known for his songs such as Woo-Ha, Got You All in Check, and Put Your Hands Where My Eyes Can See. Busta wore dreads at the start of his career and regularly uses Jamaican slang and Jamaican patois in his raps. He has a number of collaborations, or many of them number ones, with Jamaican dancehall artists, including Bounty Killer, Sean Paul, and Vybz Kartel.
Yeah, I love it. Oh God, we have so many. All right.
Here we go,
Big up to Busta Rhymes though. Big up to him, because he recently was like big in songs such as Laddie. Where you go?
Laddie Daddy.
Laddie Daddy. We like to party. We don't. Anyway, and Children's Story and Hey Young World.
Hey Young World.
His music has been sampled extensively. Laddie Daddy.
Long ago.
Running man again. Running man.
Yeah, all right, so number 10, Notorious B.I.G.
Running out of time.
Widely regarded as the greatest rapper of all time, in my opinion, I think so. Yep, for sure. Christopher Wallace, known professionally as a Notorious B.I.G., was born in Brooklyn, New York, to Jamaican parents. His debut album, Ready to Die, made him a central figure in East Coast hip-hop and increased New York City's visibility in the genre at a time when West Coast hip-hop, led by Death Row Records, dominated the mainstream. Pepper.
Before Craig gets started.
No, but you notice we pay homage to Salt and Pepper and Heavy D, both Jamaican descent to him never forget. Okay.
Speaking of Jamaican descent, we also have rapper Luther Campbell, also known as Luke Skywalker, and Uncle Luke, who was born in the US to a Jamaican father and a mother with Bahamian ancestry. Now, the Miami rapper is best known for being the leader of controversial best-selling rap group Two Live Crew.
You can't play Uncle Luke though.
Can't play nothing.
Uncle Luke think them different. He's a different uncle.
Nothing. Who else we got?
A different kind of uncle. Okay, so Will.i.am is also of Jamaican descent. So William James Adams, known professionally as Will.i.am, was born in the US to Jamaican parents. He's best known as a member of the Black Eyed Peas and for songs like I Like to Move It and Scream and Shout.
Louder! We all know Will.i.am. He's one of us. He's our people. Speaking of our people, we also have Chub Rock. Big Rock is the stage name for rapper Richard Simpson, who was born in Kingston, Jamaica, based in Brooklyn, New York. He rose to fame in the early 1990s. Yes, he did.
Big voice.
Big man.
Okay, so last but definitely not least,
yeah.
LA rapper Michael Ray Stevenson, known professionally as Tiger, was born to a Jamaican father. Now his stage name Tiger is a backronym for Thank You God Always.
And Tiger, good,
Wicked,
good Christian young boy.
I
young
really
man.
hope some of you people learned something and understand the contribution, as I said before, that our culture and what Jamaica has given to the genre of hip hop. So big up on yourself, yeah, to the yardies. Yeah, on that note, Daytime Live will be right back, and when we come back, we have a video from Kalia and Tanya Stevens. What kind of mad link up that? I want to see that. Yeah, we're so forward.
Nice.